Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS is displaying a short code on the screen, it can be quite concerning. This often indicates a hardware issue, typically relating to the motherboard or display connections. If left unresolved, it may lead to further damage or even complete failure of your device. Therefore, addressing this issue promptly is essential to ensure your laptop continues to function effectively. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. To begin the repair, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. You'll want to flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Carefully remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry the back panel away from the body of the laptop. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you should be able to see the internal components. Look for the connections leading to the display, which are usually located near the motherboard. If you notice any loose cables or damaged connectors, that could be the source of the short code issue. Gently disconnect these cables by pulling on the connectors, taking care not to tug too hard. If the cables appear to be damaged, you may need to replace them. To replace any faulty components, simply unscrew them from their mounting points using the same Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to remember the positions of screws as you remove them, as they can vary in size. Once you have the new component ready, align it in place and secure it with the screws, applying gentle but firm pressure to ensure a snug fit. Reconnect all the cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are firmly seated. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the back panel of your Dell XPS, aligning it properly, and press it down until you hear it click into place. Finally, reinsert all screws to secure the back panel. Once everything is assembled, power on your device to check if the issue has been resolved. If everything is working correctly, congratulations, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to avoid excessive pressure on the laptop screen and regularly check the connections. Keeping your device clean and free from dust can also help maintain its performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.